are in planetariums of Sambalpur. It is the 17th and second largest planetarium of the Odisha and 17 planetariums of India, and it is also covered with science park and one technology park is developing that is just outside of that science park. Let I show you detail one by one of the science park. This is the park has been developed in the year of 22nd September 2017 Friday, and Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated this park. This park has been run by and maintained by Sambalpur Municipal Corporation, and let you see what is the position of this park. Let's enter inside the park and I'm showing you one by one everything. This is a very nice park and decorated with lot of scientific equipment for the understanding of the common man and the children, basically students of these regions. And I'm showing the details of this park. You see how it has been decorated, but it is very sorry to say that the scientific equipment which has been installed by the then administrations not been maintained properly, and it has been many times published in the local newspapers and media. So you see the conditions of the park scientific equipment already been damaged. I am showing you that. You see the evolutions of the women, how the women evolution that has been shown here one by one, stage by stage, and very nicely it has been concept and to give any impressions of the development of the growth of women from the ancient age. And you see how it has been decorated, but sorry to say it has not properly been maintained. You see everywhere it has been dinosaurs, this then time this has been developed so nicely, it has been developed. You see this. You see how it has been developed. You see it has been developed so nicely. This is the second science park of Odisha. This is the park where one can enjoy and learn many things, but the maintenance side of this park is really very much negligible, and it has shown the incapabilities of the municipal corporation authorities, how it has been neglected. You see, this has been with the concept is very nice, very interesting concept, but it has not been properly been cared. This is a dynamic camera. You see, here you can see, and everything will look down. You see this. And it is really a matter of appreciation that in Sambalpur area this has been established, but not maintaining well. This has shown the incapableness of the authority. Baba, This is the periodical tables, dear friends. It is so perfectly been decorated. This is a gene technology, you see, and this is the directions post. One can know the directions. Let's go up. This is the measurement of direction, you see, and you see the views of science park from here in this post, how uniquely it has been developed, and the technological park is developing there. But the most important aspect is that after development, the care not properly been taken, so that the so costly science equipment become going to be damaged. So we urge on behalf of local people and on behalf of Mahanita Media Productions, let's unitedly we joined hand and taking care of this particular park, as it is a pride of Sambalpur as a whole, it is a pride of Odisha as well as our countries, and give a facilities for our student, our children to learn more about science and technology through these scientific equipments and from the park. And this is the 17th largest planetarium and second largest planetarium of Odisha. First one is Bhubaneswar. So we hope district administrations, government concerned, the concerned minister, the Sambalpur Municipal Corporation Authority, and as a whole all the peoples extended their cooperations for the maintenance and for the development of this park as a whole, this pride of Sambalpur. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.